Let's talk about a myth that just keeps on resurfacing, which is that H-1B workers steal American jobs. This is not how the H-1B system works at all. Okay, let's do this again. So to sponsor an H-1B worker, an employer must go through a rigorous set of compliance measures in order to show that that person is going to be working in a field that requires at least a baccalaureate education and that that person has the requisite education to fill that role. The employer must also show that they are going to be paying that foreign worker the prevailing wage, and this is not optional. This is federal law. So if an employer can pay an American citizen the prevailing wage, the position will generally go to them. Why? Because it's faster, cheaper, and easier than having to go through the laborious H-1B process. Now let's also address that the U.S. government has a massive STEM labor shortage. According to both the National Science Foundation and the Department of Labor, we don't produce enough engineers, cybersecurity professionals, AI specialists, or medical researchers to meet demands. That is why 2/3 of H-1B workers are going to be in fields where U.S. employers literally cannot find the talent. Not because they don't want to hire Americans, and certainly not because they don't want to pay Americans a fair wage. It's because there aren't enough Americans with the requisite training and education to do these jobs. So yes, H-1B workers don't steal jobs. They fill gaps in critical industries so America can stay competitive. Without them, projects stall, America actually relocates those jobs overseas, and we lose American jobs. Over my career, I've seen firsthand how H-1B workers do nothing but elevate our country. They boost our economy, they pay taxes, they strengthen our communities, and they help our U.S. companies grow. If we truly want to protect American jobs, we need to understand the data and not rely on fear.